Hello friends. Today I am going to tell you how you can create your Binance account. To know that, please watch this video tutorial.
Hello friends. If you are born poor, it's not your mistake, but if you die poor, it's your mistake. From these words I want to tell you, if made money, then why not you? Just condition is you have to think positive. Welcome all of you in investment world.
Never depend on a single income. Make an investment to create a second source. With these words I want to tell you, if I made money, then why not you? Just the condition is, first you have to set your life goal.
Find that thing you are super passionate about. And surely I believe all of you guys passionate about money. See, if I made millions of dollars in my 38 years of age, then why not you? From today, after watching this video, starts working on it. I welcome you all on this platform.
Hello friends. I am Elon Musk. If I made money, then why not you? Just the condition is to start work on your life before start investing. I welcome all of you in the world of investment.
Hello friends. Welcome to investment world. As you see couple of examples like Bill Gates and others, if they made money, then why not you? I am going to educate you about how you can start investment. To start this journey with me, you have to create a Binance account where you can deposit or withdraw your funds, and please don't forget to use my referral code to claim your $5 on account opening on Binance with my referral code. Now, how you can create your Binance account, let's come with me on mobile screen.
So first of all, you have to enter your email address and hit the Create Personal Account button. Then Binance will send a verification. Put in your email, copy the code from your email, and paste it here, and hit the Submit. It's successfully created. Now Binance will ask you about some personal information. Scroll down and select your country. And then put your legal name, which is appear on your national ID card, and then put your last name. After that, put your date of birth and hit on the Continue button. Then it will ask you to type your address manually in the bar. Type here and hit Continue. Then again, type your address in bar, type your postal code and the city and hit the Continue button. Then Binance need your documents to verify your account. Upload your national ID card here. Upload the front side first. And then upload a back side of your ID card and hit the Continue button. Then it will ask you for your face verification. Hit on the Begin Verification button. Follow the given instructions, and your account has been created.
Here's some important things I want to tell you. Number 1. Create your Binance account and claim your $5 on account opening with my referral code. Terms and condition will apply. Number 2. To get your bounces and membership, contact us on WhatsApp as given below. 00447869149001. Number 3. In your membership, you will get to know when to buy, when to hold, when you'll sell. Welcome all of you in this journey with me.